Are you tired of constantly feeling under the weather? Are you prone to catching cold in the winter, or do you feel your heart beat heavily when you run for more than 5 minutes? Do you get affected by almost every infection there is? Say goodbye to all these problems by making this simple 3-ingredient remedy. Trust us, you won't regret it. All these ingredients separately are very beneficial for your health, but to get the most out of them, you have to mix them together. The elements in question are the ones you can get in the nearest supermarket: lemon, garlic, and ginger. The combination of these 3 ingredients can produce positive effects on your blood pressure and help unclog the arteries. We are now going to show you how to prepare it according to a recipe known since there were no commercial drugs in use and people treated the diseases with natural remedies. You will need 2 liters, 67.6 ounces of filtered water, 4 unpeeled lemons, 4 garlic cloves, 4 centimeters, 1.5 inches of ginger root. Preparation: wash the lemons well and cut them into small pieces. After that, clean the garlic cloves and remove the rind of the ginger root. Place all the ingredients in a blender and blend them well until you get a homogeneous mass. Put the mixture in a pan and turn the fire on. As you're doing that, slowly start adding in the water. Keep stirring the mixture until it starts boiling. After that, remove it from the fire and let it cool down. Strain the mixture and then pour it into glass bottles. Store the bottles in the fridge. Consumption: take this drink once a day on an empty stomach, 2 hours before a meal, every day. The lemon and the ginger eliminate the strong smell of garlic, so you can consume the drink whenever you want, even if you're going out. The one thing you mustn't forget to do under any circumstance is to shake well the drink before consuming it. Unless you do so, the ginger will stay at the bottom of the bottle and won't have any effect. We hope you'll find this video interesting and useful, so please share it on your social networks and let your friends know about the amazing properties of this homemade remedy.